Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually a little project share of some Memorydex cards that I made. I am actually the guest host for Sophia and Armin. Armin is Happy Mail Queen here on YouTube and Sophia is Paper Sweets here on YouTube. And they have been doing Memorydex cards every single Friday for like literally the last 2 months. And I finally get this Friday, the 29th, so exciting. And this week's theme was trick or treat, like candy, sweets type of theme, I guess you could say. For the first one, I used the KLJYP die. It's this big like shaker bottle. It comes in 2 sizes with like a cork and a little like label thingy. So I used that. And then also from KLJYP is this trick or treat like bag topper. I just used the words, not the ghosts for it. And then I used, Andy's store has a like party hat Memorydex, and I like how the bottom part has stitching, so I was able to like cut it apart and Frankenstein it using that die. And then I used this Elizabeth Craft Designs. I just used the little candy pieces and kind of paper pieced those together. So this is it right here. I made a shaker. I used that Hobby Lobby like super glossy cardstock and some holographic for the words and the topper piece. Some Dollar Tree little bones, you know, kind of like a poison bottle, like don't drink this. And then I did put this word, I stitched it when I layered it, and then I put it on the little Cloche cake stand. That's like a different die. I don't think I showed it. Yeah, I didn't. And then some trim from Joann's. I should have glued these little candies down like in there and then let the shaker bits roll around because they kind of all just, you know, fall around. But I got the little like fun peppermint swirls in black and then colorful ones, and then also some little pumpkin ones. And then some faux black sprinkles. I didn't put too much just because I wanted it to be able to move around. I did stitch around the whole thing, and then see how this already had stitching, but I did go ahead and add orange stitching, and it just looks so cohesive. I cut another piece and put it on the back, and then here's that party hat Memorydex. It lined up really well, and it looked better that way, I guess you could say. So that is my first one, and then I made one more. And this one I wanted to use Live Love Craft. She used the KS Craft die to create like a half cauldron. So I was like, okay, I could use that KS Craft die because I also saw Michelle, she has like a SVG file version of it, and she made a Memorydex version. So that's what got my inspiration from. So I created a little like haunted house shaped Memorydex. It's just one big piece. I backed it in holographic so that the windows, the spooky little windows, would be holographic, and I inked the edges with some black, barely some black ink, and then I made this window yellow, like, you know, the lights are on. There is a door, but you can't see it because the cauldron is so it's a lot bigger than I was anticipating. So this is only 3 panels. I was gonna do 4, but it would have been too wide. So I did 3 panels and like the half circle at the bottom and glued the little pieces down. And then I just did like a rainbow effect of sequins like oozing out of the cauldron. Like this would be a haunted house you'd walk up to, and here's the cauldron holding the candy, like a candy bucket basically, and grab your piece of candy. So I just used all my flat back cabochons, you know, falling out. Same with I did a lime green ribbon from AliExpress, kind of like spewing out, or like the smoke. And then these little pom-poms I just cut in half and glued them on there, kind of like their bubbles spewing and then pouring down. These cabochons are from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, like these ones. These fun little Halloween ones, the little gummy bears. Oh. See, I can glue this guy on good all the way. Little gummy bears with like skeleton bones. So cute. And then this one, this like a little button. These were gifted to me. This was gifted to me, and so was this lollipop just like hanging out. But I love the way that this one ended. It's super 3D, chunky monkey, spooky, like luring children cauldron candy bucket. So yeah, I glued that little cupcake back on there. That's also from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. So those are my Memorydex cards. Thank you so much, Armin and Sophia, for inviting me to be a little guest on your guys' little episodes you've been having. I hope you guys have a safe and fun Halloween. I believe Armin and Sophia's YouTube channels and Instagrams down below, so you guys can go follow and check out all of their videos. Like I said, they've been doing this for months. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.